Wheels rolling, wheels rolling round.
I hear them wheels a roll, rolling all around. I hear them wheels a rolling, rolling all around. Honey, where you are is where I'm bound. Well, honey, you're gone, ain't coming back. You're gonna traveling on that long, long track. Wheels are rolling, rolling round. Wheels are rolling round, that's where I'm bound. Well, honey, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you with the love that's true. Wheels are rolling, rolling round. Wheels are rolling where I'm bound. I'm coming to you on that track. I'm coming, honey, gonna bring you back. Wheels are rolling, rolling round. Wheels are rolling where I'm bound. Wheels rolling round. Wheels rolling round. I'm rolling
Full-blown caddy in a Thunderbird. I heard the Ferrari was the latest word. There's rumors that had it all over town. Oh well, they both started cruising to hunt each other down. Coming down 3rd Street late last night, Ferrari saw the T-Bird gearing down for red light. He stepped on the gas and the roar could be heard, echoing out a challenge to the Thunderbird. Go out!
Wind 'em up, ooh.
Oh yeah!
Wind 'em up, wind 'em up, ooh.
Let's drag!
Wind 'em up, ooh.
Yeah!
Wind 'em up, 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 ooh.
Hit it, Evan!
Wind 'em up, ooh.
Let's go now!
Wind 'em up,
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
wind 'em up, wind 'em up.
Here we go now! Hit second gear! Take it home now! 3-lane highway and a flash of green. Oh, an empty lane and 2 screaming machines. Above the roar and behind the scream, the local stingray came out on the scene. Kids were really jumping, they were waiting on the line. The cars were really moving, they were coming on fine. When the red lights came flying like a bird, and this is what we heard.
Gear down, gear down.
Gee, my gas pedal went through the floor.
Gear down,
Gotta stop somehow.
gear down.
What can I do? Yeah, it sure is a jam.
Slow it down, slow it down.
Yeah, slow it down, guys.
Slow it down.
Looks like we're caught again. This drag racing just ain't worth it. And I'll say it again. What was that about my driver's license, officer? Oh no, I guess I left it at home. We weren't doing 95. Call my phone. Take me in. But
Beep, 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 Thunderbird. Beep, 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 yeah. Beep, beep, save some money on yourself off. Save a little more than a bum your car was. Black on my Thunderbird, so new. Black on my Thunderbird, so cool. Black on my Thunderbird, happy as I can be. Oh, let it roll down the street. A big of my guy do saw the cars and me. Oh my, she's got a black on my Thunderbird. At last, black on my Thunderbird. Real fast, black on my Thunderbird. Happy as we can be. You up the street, and then I came down in my black and white Thunderbird. It's great, a black and white Thunderbird. Yeah, man, black and white Thunderbird. Chips all envy me. Ooh, yay, 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 Thunderbird. Yay, 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 yeah, yay, yay. Well, I'm driving around and I'm really on the run. I pick it up my two friends. Ooh, what fun in my black and white Thunderbird. So great in my black and white Thunderbird. Can't wait to be back on my Thunderbird, making my muffler sound. Beep 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 Thunderbird. Beep 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 yeah. Beep 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 beep.
Wednesday night at beautiful Green Valley Raceway. See the Texas Gas Coupe Sedan Showdown. From Houston, Marvin McKinney and his jumpin' Chevy. From Bryan, Pete Scarmato at the controls of his potent D-Gasser. From Austin, Buddy Bohr gaming his Dodge-powered Plymouth Go and Go. From Hawkins, Don Dacus chauffeuring his championship B-Gasser Little Willie. From Irving, DM Biggs wheeling his Chrysler-powered A-Gasser Mighty Maggie. Plus many more.